Are you tired of spending morning, noon, and night preparing meals? Had enough slicing, dicing, chopping, and grating to last a lifetime? Do you have a pile of appliances and parts that clutter your countertops and cupboards? Wouldn't it be nice if there was one product that could do it all in a fraction of the time, at a fraction of the price, in a fraction of the space? Well, it's here, and it's not just nice. All for one and one for all food preparation station.
Innovative and versatile products ever made.
The raw ingredients that you see here were prepared in just seconds. Watch how simple this is. Place it on, you give a press. You can do tomato salads, apples, turnips, radishes in less time than it takes to just find a knife.
After school snacks, the kids will love it.
Place it, you press it. Now you can chop onions, no smell on the hands, no tears in the eyes. And remember, with Genius's dual-sided blades, you can chop large, small, or even mini small. Check this out. Fresh peppers, press. We'll do all different types of colors every single time. Colors. Imagine chopping all of that with a knife. Nice dicers, seconds. What you got?
Well, it used to take forever to cut up veggies for a veggie tray, right? But with the knife, it's quick, it's easy, and look at this. It's